Hello, this is Group 12 from O Division, and title of our project is Automatic Tape Dispenser. Here we are dispensing the tape in which only 30% of the work is done manually and rest is carried out by a machine. We are doing it under the guidance of Sharnappa sir, and we are 4 members in our group. Beginning with the problem definition, it says design an automatic tape dispenser which involves just 30% of the manual work. The machine should be user friendly and light in weight. Machine should be able to cut variable length depending upon need. Machine should be user friendly and easily portable. Size of the machine should not exceed 225 cm cube and cost should be within the range of 2000 to 2500. Machine should cut one tape at a time. It should be able to work for 2 hours continuously. Weight should be less than 2 kgs. And rolling of tape should be continuous until we give an indication that it should cut, and it should be able to cut different types of tapes, black and transparent, and we are mainly focusing on the transparent one. And maximum time could be taken by a tape to cut should be less than or equal to 5 seconds. And moving on to the functional tree, this is how functional tree looks like, and there are mainly 3 functions: tape handling, protection, and cutting the tape. Under protection we get cover the body and elements of the material and fixed and steady base. Under tape handling we get insertion of the tape into the machine, sense the tape after it is over, dispense the tape, rotation of the tape, and once after cutting it should be ready to dispense the next set of tape. We are using blades to cut the tape, and time to cut the tape should be less than or equal to 5 seconds. And moving on, this is the order in which functions are carried out. First, insertion of the tape into the machine, sense the tape presence, rotate the tape, dispense the tape, stop dispensing the tape using its sensors, stop rotating the tape, move the blade, cutting of the tape, and withdrawal of the tape. Those were the sequence in which functions are carried out. Coming to the main idea, these are the concepts generated. This is first one, second, third, and fourth. And we prepared pug chart keeping these 4 ideas, and based on that we decided to stick to this idea. And main focus in engineering exploration right now is on virtual implementation. So here we are going to show you the 3D model of the project, of the selected concept, and simulation of the circuit, and we have used Autodesk Inventor and Tinkercad to come up with this. This is front view of the model. This is side view. Here we are using 2 DC motors, one to cut the tape and another one to dispense the tape. Here you can see 3 subsystems. This is for dispensing the tape, this is for cutting the tape, and this one to hold the tape. This view shows exactly how we are going to cut the tape, and this knob here rotates one rotation when we want to cut the tape, and which is decided by use of course. And during its rotation this above part moves up and down, and here we are fixing a blade to this part so that by the time this part comes down it cuts the tape which is above it. This is how we are going to cut the tape. And moving on to the circuit diagram, and this is how our circuit diagram looks like. As I said, we are using 2 motors. This motor helps to dispense the tape, and this motor helps to cut the tape. And the logic behind programming is, if user input is A, then this motor 1, which is for dispensing the tape, starts rotating until we press button B, and after pressing button B it stops. And if the user input is C, then this motor 2 rotates one rotation and then stops. And we are using 60 rpm for motor 2 because every rotation in 60 rpm motor takes 1 second. So if we delay 1 second and stop the motor after pressing the key C, then motor stops rotating after completion of 1 rotation. And this is a snapshot from the Tinkercad after completing the circuit. This is bill of material. These are the materials that we took from Tinkerlab. And this is functional specifications of the entire system. There are mainly 2 functions. One is dispensing the tape and cutting the tape. And specifications of dispensing the tape is motor has to rotate in one particular direction when key A is pressed, and motor should stop rotating when key B is pressed. And specifications for the cutting of the tape is motor has to make 1 rotation when key C is pressed so that it can cut the tape. And this is a screen recording from Tinkercad. Here we are taking inputs from user and checking the circuit. So let's begin the video. This is our circuit. And this is a programming part. So let's start simulating. If user input is A over here, and send, then motor A rotates.